Hello everyone, my name is Tuguldur, but you can call me Batuk. It is my nickname. I greet you from Genghis Khan, Mongolia, which was biggest empire in the world in 13th century. I am startup entrepreneur for tourism. Today, I am going to introduce you myself. In 1982, I was born in Eastern Mongolia, birthplace of great Genghis Khan. And I am proud Mongolian nationality. Now I live happy with my wife and children in Ulaanbaatar, capital of Mongolia. I love to travel around our wonderful Mongolia so much. Since 2010, I have travel experience that I graduated from Institute of Tourism Management in Mongolia, and I have traveled across Mongolia when I was working as tour guide and driver in tourism industry. This year I am passionately starting own tourism business that world travelers travel in our Mongolia. Because first, when world travelers are over 1 billion, about 400,000 travelers visit our country a year. Most of them never know about Mongolia, which has great history of Genghis Khan, very unique nomadic cultures and such beautiful natural landscape. Second, today half of the world population live in the big city with urban stress. I think natural landscape of Mongolia is solution of their urban stress for world people. My business bishop is our customers' satisfaction and enjoyment. So in further, we will promote making interesting and attractive video contents about Mongolian nomadic cultures and beautiful natural landscape on social media in order to attract and inspire world travelers. So we will sincerely work to attempt in order that world travelers feel happy and get enjoyment in our Mongolia. I hope we will meet in Mongolia.